Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel rehearsing packaging on Pandabuy. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Pandabuy. So when you get to your Pandabuy website here, so log into your account. So you must be logged into your account. So I've logged into mine. So now what are you going to do? You're going to go to your profile here on your top right and then click on the orders option. So click on the orders option, and then when you get to the orders option here, so now scroll down and see which we open up the order of that that you want to cancel the rehearsal packaging for. So just open that up. So click on the, you will see, for example, if I choose this order here, so you will see an order details option here. So click on order details, and then now on top of that you'll see a contact option. So if you want to cancel your rehearsal package, so click on the contact option. So when you click on contact, you can now contact the Pandabuy teams, support team. So here just type in your request, so just let them know that it's a mistake and you want to cancel it. So just type that up and then hit on send, and then an agent will look into your issue and they will sort it out for you. So it's pretty easy and straightforward. You just have to contact the team for it. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you